Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to be reviewing the Schwarzkopf Blondme Bleach and Developer. So if you've been following my page for as long as I hope you have, you know that I always use Loreal Quick Blue Bleach. Now that one lifts up to, I believe, 7 levels. It is a blue powder which helps counteract any yellow or orange tones to help you get a clean lift. Now usually when I use that bleach, I need it at least 1 to 2 times. It's very rare for me to get my dark hair. I'd say my hair is a level 8-9 to a 1. So I usually have to do the bleach, leave that on for maybe an hour 15, hour 20, and then still have to go back in with the bleach for a little bit longer. So I wasn't sure how this was gonna work out for me, so I did go ahead. It does say only 45 minutes. It does lift up to a level 9. It's bond enforcing. I actually decided to pick this up because if you follow Platinum Perfection, he does the most amazing white blondes all day long, and this is what he uses. So he also said you can always achieve a white blonde with just a 20 volume. I'm used to 30. When I first started, I used to use 40. I never recommend 40 at all. I've been using 30, but even with the 30, I was leaving the quick blue in for that long. Now I picked up the 20 just to give it a try to see how it would work out for me. But again, this one is bond enforcing premium lightener, 9+ levels that it should lift, advanced neutralization. This bleach actually smells really good. Maybe it's just me, but it smells really good. Again, it does have it's a blue powder, similar to the quick blue. So it looks just like that. It just has such a nice smell to it. And then this is the Developer, a 6% or 20 vol. It's an oil formula, moisture maintaining. Okay, so we have a little guest with us. She cannot stay out of the lights. So I wasn't sure how this bleach was gonna work for me, especially at a 20 vol. So I'm gonna show you exactly how I mixed it up. I ended up needing less than what I used, but I like to play it safe than sorry and just have enough bleach. I'm gonna show you how I applied it, how I mixed it, how I applied it. Now I left it on for about 45 minutes to an hour. Now when I applied it, I started from the back because I noticed obviously when I start from the front it stays on longer than in the back, and I just really want it to be clean. So I did start in the back this time, and I noticed the back came out perfectly pale yellow, almost white, but this still had just a tinge of gold to it, and I will obviously show you the images or the video. A little bit of gold. So what I did was I did reapply the bleach only on this section here, only on this section of my roots, less than 10 minutes, and my hair was perfect. This is the result of the bleach. This is the very first time I have ever bleached my hair and not used toner. I always use a Wella toner, T14, T18, there's 050 additive. This is the first time I've never used a toner. What I did do was use the Fanola No Orange shampoo and mask, which I will talk to you about in another video. Right now I just want to focus on the bleach and how bomb it left my hair. This is, my ends are obviously darker from a previous, you know, toner and dye, so, but it just looks so freaking clear. I'd say this like a level 9, level 10. It's literally white, it's clean. I left my hair unshaven so that you can see a little bit more of the hair and like just see that color, because normally this is too long for me. I already like to buzz this off, but just a close-up. Look how clean and bright it is. My hair feels very nice, very soft. The last time I bleached my hair, or the regrowth that you see, is only 3 weeks. So you can see how fast my hair grows and how dark it is, that it's so prominent. So it's pretty freaking awesome that it worked that well. And with the 20 volume, I think a tip that I would recommend, or I'll do for myself maybe the next time, is since it does take me a few minutes to apply the bleach, even if I start in the front or the back, one of them is gonna end up processing faster than the other, right? So I think personally, if I start in the back or start in the front, whichever, that I'll use a 30 volume, because by the time the back is ready, my 20 vol in the front is still processing, and I don't want to over process my back. So in the front, I'd probably do 30 because it will be on less time, but it will work as fast as the 20. So I'm gonna try that out probably for the next time or the time after that. But overall, I think it processes really freaking good. I'm really blown away. Platinum Perfection uses it, then we need to use it too, okay? I really hope that you like this review. If you've used it, let me know down below if you like it, don't like it, why you don't. I understand I am not a hair professional, I am not a hairstylist, I only do my hair, and I'm okay with doing my own hair. So all I do is give you a review of what worked for me. It might not necessarily work for you. Don't hold that against me. Is it just hair? Yeah, it's just hair. Do you want to be careful? Of course, always. Always proceed with caution. If something doesn't feel right or you're having burning, tingling, then you should remove it. I know sometimes we can't afford to go to a hair salon. I know in the very beginning, 5 years ago, I actually went to a salon and I said, you know, I'm willing to pay XYZ to get me to a gray, and she was like charging me a crazy amount, which I was alright to pay with, but she was like, I don't know if I can even get you somewhere there. And that's kind of what motivated me to say, well, I'm not gonna pay you to like not get me there. And I went on YouTube and I figured it out myself, and I've been doing it ever since. I think it's a little easier because I have short hair. It's easier for me to manage and maintain. If you have longer hair, you know, it can be a little bit more difficult. Get your boyfriend's help, your girlfriend's help, somebody's help. It's doable, okay? So don't think that it's not. Platinum Perfection, I know he's a professional hairstylist, but hey, he does his hair himself, and he literally gives you step-by-steps on what he even does. So that you keep watching to the end so you can see the process. the next morning, my hair is completely dry, and as you can see, it is super light. In my front, it is very warm. It doesn't look so much on the camera. It looks a little bit just yellow, but it's actually goldish. So I'm actually gonna go back in with the bleach one more time, 15 minutes at the most, and then I will show you how that comes out. Okay, are you ready to be shooketh? Okay, shooketh. Okay, I left the bleach on for another 10 minutes. I only used half a scoop of the powder and then a full scoop of the developer. I put it only on my very tippity roots. I left it on, I'm gonna say like 10 minutes, not even 15. I was like, don't push your luck. Washed it out. No orange shampoo and mask. I did not use a toner at all. There's no toner in my hair. Girl, my hair is white. I don't think my hair's ever been this white. This is amazing. Like, that bleach is so bomb. That bleach is so, I will never use L'Oreal Quick Blue again unless it's an emergency. But look at this. My ends are still gray because from the color before, but my hair is like white. I hope that this review was helpful. I hope that you got this bomb white hair. I might rock it for like a day or two before I do my color. Make sure that you subscribe because I will be posting that video shortly after this of the new color that I pick. I'm not too sure. I've got a new array. I got a new array of colors from Sparks hair colors. So I'm going to be picking one from their new collection, their Urban Wonderland. If you know which collection I'm talking about, let me know which one you think I should try to do, which one you'd like to see me do. I'm pretty sure I know which one, but you could sway me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I think I've said that 1,000 times, but I mean it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.